Hey, yo, what is up, Vanossers? It's your boy Vanoss, and I'm here with some Team 6 merch. We made them specifically for our 25 subscribers. We're looking to get 26 subscribers by the end of this week, so go ahead, support the shirt. The link will be in the description, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye. What the hell?
Greetings.
Look at this man.
What the?
Hello
Is that your real face?
It is.
It is.
Oh my
Got
god.
a face.
Holy shit, let me see that beautiful face.
Delirious, look at the back of my head.
The back of your head is ridiculous.
Your
oh
nipples
my god.
What?
grew. Wait, he has a face on the back of his face!
Look at his back of his head.
I can't see.
That is scary.
Coming back. I just had to paint the face on
he's
the back
back.
of my head. I don't
Back.
look
There
at
we
it
go.
anymore.
He's
Yeah.
not loaded
Oh,
yet.
yeah.
He's not loaded yet. Oh, there he is.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me put the load in him.
Wait, what'd you do to the back of your head?
Quick,
Do you guys want to see that thing?
it was disgusting. It
I
was.
don't
can't
want
let
you
go
to do
of you,
anything I
Jiggly.
see during my video.
Why'd you cover it up? That was the greatest
Disgusting.
feature.
It was disgusting.
Because I have to
didn't want-
stare at that the whole time I record. I can't take it. That's all my viewers will see.
Guys! Guys!
Oh God! What happened?
What happened?
Whoa.
What
We're
happened?
stranded on this island.
I look so startled.
Oh,
Did our
Island?
plane crash?
oh, Panda! How did you get your face
Oh,
looking so beautiful?
I don't know. My mother gave it to me.
What the fuck?
I'm worried about this sun, however. It's gonna bake my huge pepperoni nipples.
Panda, I wanna pinch your nipples. I wanna
Grab
pinch
them.
those nipples.
Hold on, they go in different directions. You gotta be careful.
All right, guys.
Oh my god.
We gotta figure out how to get out of here. How do we
That's
get
right.
marooned here?
See that over there? That's our plane that crashed.
Oh my God!
Oh, I'm being baptized.
Right
Thank
here,
you.
guys.
What are you guys doing?
Found a boat.
I'm baptizing him.
Help me
I've
row.
been given the
Guys,
power
guys,
of
guys,
Christ.
look, a convenient boat on this stranded island.
Oh.
Let's do it.
Let's hop
row.
in.
Row,
Whoa.
Oh,
row
shit.
up boat, gently
bad rower.
down the stream. Man,
This is
How do we do
gonna
this?
take a long
This is gonna
time.
be horrible.
Stroke.
Where do we go, Captain Panda?
Stroke.
It's so disturbing.
What
Your
the
face is so
fuck?
disturbing.
Stroke.
I don't
It's a
wanna
real
look
life
at it.
face, but it's like 2D.
It's a
I don't
real
wanna look at
jiggly.
You're
it.
stuck. There we go.
pushing you out to
Are you
sea.
really just gonna push the boat?
Yeah.
That's right.
There you go,
That's why my
Delirious.
little
That's
feet
how you
can't
do it.
touch
Yeah.
anymore.
Stroke.
See?
Guys, I'm having a stroke.
Easy peasy.
Guys, I'm having
There we go.
Oh,
No!
Oh.
We can save this.
Wait, how are you guys still in the water? I spawned back here. Oh, there you are.
Stroke.
Well,
We lost the boat.
Good job. Good job, guys.
Now how we gonna
That was
get
our
from
only
there?
chance.
Oh my god.
Let me try to restart the checkpoint. See what it does.
Let's just restart.
Yeah,
this.
that's-
Oh, it
Guys,
worked.
how did we get here? Oh
Shut
my
up.
God.
Shut up. You've already been here.
Oh god.
Shit.
Hold on, guys.
Shit.
Can somebody
Yes,
pick
you
me
guys
up
all
again?
missed the boat.
Shit.
All missed the
All
boat.
right, I got it. I got it. Just go over. Just go over.
I don't
Oh,
think
I'm not even
we
gonna, I'm not
Go-
gonna
go-
touch anything.
keep
We're
going
gonna get to the
straight
other
on.
side.
Yeah,
That's
we're gonna
fine,
make it to the
that's
other side.
Chick-
Yeah.
No,
Fine.
big die.
No, it fucking reset
We made
me.
it.
Yep, we have to be in the boat.
Wait, maybe we could save the map. Maybe there's like a.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did
Oh,
it.
there it is.
All
There
right,
it
guys,
is.
just
Come
jump in the
on.
water. You can make it over here.
Yeah, look, we're swimming. We did it. We swam
Oh,
all the way
look
over
at
there.
that.
We did it.
Are you guys ready
Panda's
to go
marking his
sailing?
territory.
That's right.
All right, Panda.
Celebrating.
Panda, come mark the territory on. Oh, now we got a sailboat.
Oh god, Panda, seriously.
Oh, we're not falling off of this one. We're not falling off of this one at all. All right,
Oh, you just gotta-
blow into the sail.
Oh,
Blow into the.
Is that what you're supposed to do?
No, you're just supposed to aim the sail.
Move the sail this way. The wind is going the opposite direction.
oh, here's the
There
wind.
you go.
Here's the
There
wind.
you go. Now
There
hold
we
on,
go.
hold on.
Okay.
We wanna
Let's
turn
not
back
go
this
back
way, right?
to the first island.
Oh shit.
I'm turning the boat.
All
I'm
right,
turning
watch
the
out,
boat.
guys. Watch out.
Oh.
Go. Look, we're professional. We played Sea of Thieves. We're
Oh.
professionals.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice,
Yes.
nice. Keep going.
Professional.
Oh yeah,
There
Delirious,
we
steer the
go.
rudder.
I watched
I'm the
Moana.
rudder.
I know what I'm doing.
No, on the rudder. You
We're
gotta
going.
get us some
Hey,
wind.
we
Get
gotta
us
go
some
straight.
wind. Get us some
Jiggly,
wind.
watch out.
Oh, Jesus!
Don't fall off, Panda.
Turn to the right. The speedboat's there.
I know. I know. All right,
Yeah, we're
a
close.
little bit more. A little bit
Where we
more. We
going?
should be able to jump off.
Are we going to a speedboat or the other side?
The speedboat. We went to speedboat.
There you go.
There we go. Now we should be able
Yeah.
to. We should be fine.
Hell yeah.
Perfect, guys. That was awesome.
How do we get this thing in the water? We gotta push
Do
it.
we need it, or should we be going over here?
We wanna travel in style, Venos.
Okay. Oh yeah, I could pull this in the water. Look at that.
Oh, speedboat!
Look at this.
Come on.
This is like
Push.
$1 million speedboat, guys. We're
Push.
killing it. Panda, you're gonna be in the deep
There we
end.
go. There we go. There we go.
Oh, yes.
All right, everybody get on.
Hurry.
Ow!
Get on.
All right, who's gonna drive us?
I want to drive.
Okay.
How do you start it?
How do you drive?
All right, right here. It's right
Nice.
Here. There we
Nice.
go.
Oh,
In
yes.
style.
Panda,
Don't go back.
I can't.
Panda, move.
Turn to the right.
We're going right. We're gonna do a loop. We're gonna do a loop.
We're getting
Oh,
out of
yeah.
here.
Oh,
Come on.
yeah, now we got to turn all the way. Turn all the way.
Turning speed is terrible.
You're gonna beat us.
No,
Hey, more to the right.
this
we're
is as
beached.
far
So there's
as
like
right
a-
we could go.
Oh my
No, it's because your
God.
body's blocking.
Way to go, boys. We're right back to where we started.
Oh, did you push us, Panda?
Get back on,
Trying.
Panda.
I'm
Yes,
so
come
strong.
on.
Panda, we're about to leave.
Using
Panda,
my
hold on.
nipple
Just hold on, Panda. Just
Panda,
hold on.
yes.
Nice.
There you go.
Get in here.
There you go.
All right.
There we go. Watch
Go
this,
out, let's
boys.
go out into the sea, guys. Out into the
Yeah.
I'm gonna.
Yes, there's
I'm
another
gonna
ship
travel
out
with
there.
style.
sea. Out in the sea.
I can't see. It's so foggy.
God.
Yeah.
Are we
Hey.
doing it?
Come on, come
Oh,
on, come on.
Jack,
There we go.
doing
Yeah,
it.
we're doing it.
Woo!
We're
Jack me.
Titanicking.
Jack
We're
me.
Titanicking.
Jack.
Watch
God.
out
What
for
the hell are
these
you guys
buoys.
doing?
Titanic.
We're
Oh,
doing
God,
that
it's
scene
an
from the
iceberg.
Titanic.
It's an iceberg.
Whoa!
Oh my God!
Oh,
I don't think we're supposed to go out into the red ends, guys.
Titanic, the sequel.
yes.
They never thought they'll have two Jacks on this Titanic. Oh, look. The mountain has a one of those things you sit in and go up the mountains on, like a ski lift.
Do we just go right here?
That was a great
watch
idea.
out,
let's
there's
check
a
it out.
rock.
Let's check it out.
Rock.
Let's
Oh, we got to
check
save
it out.
point.
Oh, we
How's
got
that?
a
Nice.
point.
Beautiful.
Oh,
Okay, so well,
Jump
am I-
off.
the boat.
jump. Oh, I made it.
Woo!
I made it.
Oh, I'm dead.
Guys,
There's
I
a
made
save
it.
point, so you should be good.
Oh!
There you are.
Yeah.
Oh!
I wonder what up here is.
Wonder what up here is.
What up here? It's your boy H2O Delirious.
Oh God.
Oh! Are you serious, Venos?
What?
We're about to sail this ship.
Oh
What?
Jesus.
We're about to sail the
Oh,
ship,
this is a
guys.
ship?
You're
It's
kidding.
a ship. Pull it.
I thought this was a fucking island.
There's
My
two.
video.
There's two sticks.
I want you.
What do they-
Hey,
what do
don't,
do?
Don't
why
sit
don't
on
you
them.
touch the tip of them. Touch the
Don't
tip of
sit
this
on
one. All right. Forward.
Whoa.
Forward.
Full speed
smash.
ahead.
Full speed ahead.
Well, you gotta turn to the right.
No.
How do you can't turn it to the right, can you?
I think it's two engines, so like one right, one off. It will turn it right. So
Listen,
We're just going over there, I think.
someone come over here and jack me.
I don't know what that means, but I think I have a pretty good idea.
Oh, well, we know how to turn
Land
left.
ho, guys. Land ho.
You made it.
I don't think that's where we're supposed to go.
All right.
Yeah, but we can climb
here-
this.
I'm
right?
here to jack somebody.
We can climb this easy.
I don't know.
Come on, just hey. I can lift you. We
I
can
don't know
do
if I
your
wanna
teamwork.
go. I don't know if I want to follow you.
Come on.
Are you sure that's where we're supposed to go?
We can do this.
I don't know if
The
we're
world
supposed to
is
go
our
there.
oyster. The world is our oyster,
I think
guys.
maybe we're supposed to like.
Yeah, we're supposed to go through these ping pong. See you later, Delirious.
Well, you know what?
Where are you going?
Fucking doing things my way.
All right, we're going into deep waters,
Yeah.
boys.
Deep.
Full steam ahead.
Deep. No,
There's a buoy.
I'm drowning.
That's fine. We'll
No,
bump past
guys! Please!
He's back on the rock.
I'm back on the rock!
it. Is he?
You see this
Fuck!
motherfucker?
Oh, I just saw him fall from
Hilarious.
the sky.
No!
There he
Come
goes.
back!
He's in the endless loop.
Come back!
Oh my God.
it's like the
Fuck.
sky's just dropping a little raisin.
Oh god. Okay.
All
I
right.
could use another stick, Captain.
How's it
Keep
going back
cranking it
there?
left. Keep cranking it. Oh Jesus.
Help!
We're almost there,
me.
Delirious.
Help me! I'm stranded!
Wait, we're supposed to go right, aren't we?
No, I
Go
think
to
we're
the
supposed to
dock.
park it in this thing.
What?
Yeah.
We could go right here, though, over here. Oh, yeah. Oh, I get you.
Yeah, I think we got to pull in.
Yeah, we got a save point.
Yes.
Worked.
Delirious, you're good.
I am the. Oh, there we go.
Hey.
Guys, where you been? I've been
Wow.
waiting here. I've been
Wow,
waiting here.
you're so good, Delirious.
Been waiting here for an hour. Listen,
Oh, shit.
I'm this way. I'm this way, just a little bit further. What? You're going backwards.
He's got to
My
readjust.
stick keeps getting bumped. Uh-oh.
You know what?
Oh.
Let's leave those guys. Let's leave them. All right, I know how this puzzle's gonna work. So this is
Okay.
a puzzle. We need to put the hooks on the blue one, raise it up a little bit, and jump from the yellow one to the blue one, and then over there.
All right.
Oh, it's in the hook. It's in it though. It's in it. Bring it up. Bring it up. Just bring it
What
up.
about the last one? No?
Just bring it up. Just bring it up.
Okay.
All the way up.
Oh,
It's about physics, man. About physics.
Physics.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
I worried about mine holding.
Bring it up. Push the fucking lever.
I'm trying!
Push it up.
I can't get
Falling.
Oh, there it goes.
Falling. There we go. Oh my
You
god.
idiot.
Okay.
Oh,
You need-
well,
Lower, but not enough to disconnect the right ones.
actually, this works. This works.
Does
Bring
it?
it up. Bring it up all the way. Bring it up all the way. This
Okay.
Maybe not all the way.
Works. No, all the way. All the way. There you go. All the way. All the way. As much
Physics,
as you can.
bitch.
As much as you can. There we go. Now you guys jump over here. Come over here.
We make this
Oh.
jump here?
Okay, I don't know. Let's try it.
Here we go.
You go
I'll
first.
let you
can do
guys
it.
try it before I come
One
over.
small delirious for mankind. One giant delirious.
Way to go.
Damn it.
No. We have to push it. We have to push it forward then.
Oh,
we have to
yeah.
push it forward a little bit.
Yeah, do that, and then I can make the checkpoint for you guys.
Come on.
Oh,
There you
yeah,
go.
let's
God,
got
shit
it.
stain its back.
Let's see if I've learned anything.
Shit stain. I
Yeah,
forgot
we
about
did
him.
it.
I'm
did
taking
it.
credit for this since I hooked these hooks.
Yeah, you got us the hookup, man.
Oh, good one.
Oh,
Whoa,
is this the
water
shit factory?
treatment.
Is this where all-
We didn't get a save point yet. I don't know where we're supposed to
Is
go.
this where all the poo goes?
Yep.
Well, except for the poo in my pants.
Oh, right here, Vanox. We gotta push this in the water and probably stay on top of it while it
Oh,
goes
there we go.
through
We
the
gotta
wall.
save. We
save
gotta
point.
save.
All right. So we push this
Oh,
in the water.
there we
and
go.
Hold on to it. Hold on to it. We gotta hold on to it.
Yeah, jump on.
Well,
Nice.
Oh God. We
Oh.
gotta jump over this when it comes over.
Oh
Fuck.
shit!
That's fine. It's easy. It's easy. You ready? You ready?
All right.
And
I'm gonna try a different technique. Are you ready?
There we go. Oh, beautiful.
do?
This is easy.
Oh,
Oh.
Panda.
Oh shit.
Smart man.
Panda.
Oh, I like it, Panda. I like it.
How do you lay down?
Oh, God.
Oh shit!
No!
Oh.
No!
Oh,
Help me
okay, I'm
before
jumping
I-
up. I'm jumping up. You guys are good.
Oh my god.
We did it!
Yeah.
We are professional limboers.
Oh
We did it, guys. We
Yes.
Hell yeah.
fucking did it.
Okay. This
Now we
box, move it to the red.
Yep. We need to jump up.
Oh,
Oh,
there are
God,
two boxes.
it's splitting in sections. What? Be careful.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Just jump up.
The great thing about this game is anything works if you try
right
hard
now
enough.
we are breaking the law. Okay.
Yeah,
Of-
breaking
of-
and entering. Oh,
Breaking the law of physics.
I did it.
Wait a minute.
shit,
we can
my
just
bad.
move this to the right.
You're
Can't
kidding
we?
me.
We
Oh.
can just open the gate.
No way.
Yeah, open the gate. Open the gate.
Oh
That's
my
not nearly
god.
as fun.
Help! I'm stuck.
Oh, there you
I'm
go.
going over.
Open, look
All right,
how
the
easy
gate's
the
open.
gate's
There you go.
Uh-oh.
All right, I think we need to bring these in here though. Get the other boxes
Yeah,
that's
to
in
get the
there.
extras.
Oh.
Nah.
I don't know where we're going. I don't.
Oh, let's figure this out. Let's be smart, okay?
Let's think like, oh, maybe we go
Yeah.
over there. Maybe we throw them in the water.
We have to get.
Yeah. No. We throw them in the water and we make a bridge to go
Oh.
over there.
Guys,
What?
Yeah.
on top of the crane?
What?
What the fuck?
Wait, how'd you get
What's
over
on top of
there?
it? What the hell?
I think I'm in the wrong spot!
How'd you get up there?
Jiggly.
I drowned and then I fell from the heavens and I grabbed
Oh.
the crane
Oh my god.
to infinity
That's,
and
look.
beyond!
No. We're making a bridge. Look.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, look at that. We're making a bridge. Help me throw this
Gotta
shit in the water.
push.
Yeah. Watch out, Venom.
Uh-oh.
No.
Man down.
Man down. Man overboard. This is
Wait,
perfect.
I'm still alive.
Are you in the water?
Yeah.
Oh.
Not for long.
It wasn't that deep. Look at this bridge, man. Look what we
Wow.
have done.
Pro. Oh shit.
Okay. All right. Now you test the bridge out.
Oh.
Huh.
Oh God.
Oh shit.
You gotta
It's
jump.
not
You
the
gotta
best
jump quick.
bridge.
Oh.
You gotta jump
Delirious,
quick.
please help me.
Yeah. Jump, motherfucker, jump! I did it!
Oh,
did
you got
it!
to the save
Let's all
point.
go. Let's
I-
all
I
go.
gotta jump
Jump,
fast.
jump,
They
jump.
pulled
Just
my
keep
head.
jumping. Don't even use your arms. Just jump. Just keep jumping. Just run and jump.
Look at us. We're doing damn puzzles, man. Puzzles.
Try
Yeah.
Can you jump
Help
or something?
me.
Puzzles. Now listen. Once we pull this lever, the door's gonna open, water's gonna fall, and we're gonna have to be on that raft.
Oh
shit.
yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna water slide. Look at
I'm
that.
actually gonna get on the raft right now.
That's
What's the pull the
convenient.
lever?
That's convenient, Delirious. Wait, so what do I have to do? The lever? What about this anchor?
Gotta
Just
do
don't worry
something.
about the anchor. Don't worry about the anchor.
All right. Panda, you ready?
I think so.
We have to run to
Pull
that.
the lever.
We have to run over there.
Oh, fuck.
I think we should have 3 people on this and one
Panda,
ready
go
to
ahead.
jump.
Go ahead and come over here. Or, you know what? I'll hold the. I'll pull the lever. Let me know when you're ready. Y'all hold
on,
on.
I'm
Hold
on.
on to. You gotta hold on to
I'm on.
something. Don't fall off.
Yeah, and don't lose balance. This thing could flip.
Come
All
on.
right, here we go. I'm pulling the lever in 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Aw,
lever's
Delirious.
pulled.
Delirious. You idiot. You idiot. Look at the water go. What a crazy waterfall.
I think it has
It
something
is
to
the
do with
anchor.
The chain.
It is
You
the
gotta do the
anchor.
chain.
We just need to get this thing over to you and grab that.
Okay.
That was beautiful. Really a thing of beauty.
I thought the thing was gonna open.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Oh,
Wait a
if we
minute.
put the chain on the thing, it
Yes,
didn't
put the
lever.
chain on
Oh
the
my
freaking
God!
machine.
What?
The lift.
Machine.
Yeah, we made the lift pull the thing.
Oh.
Yes.
Genius! Glad I thought about it. Oh, all right. So what's gonna happen is this big piece of block
Oh,
right here is
shit.
gonna move, and then this whole thing's gonna fall. and
Yeah,
all the water's gonna rush.
All right.
I'm
Oh,
probably
the lever!
gonna miss it. Watch it be fast.
Pull the
Oh, the
lever.
lever!
Oh, here we go. Come on,
Lever.
Liz. Come
Oh,
on, Liz.
God.
You gotta go. Come on.
Delirious.
Shit.
Oh,
I'm gonna
Manage
catch
your
it.
weight.
I gotta jump. I gotta jump.
I
Oh,
told
shit.
you.
I
Here
gotta
we
jump when
go.
you guys pass. I gotta jump.
Oh God.
Delirious, don't miss. Do not miss. This is
I'm
your
not
one.
gonna miss.
One.
Delirious. Oh no.
Delirious.
No.
Delirious.
I think I stopped you guys. I think I fucked you guys.
No. We're...
No!
Oh no.
No!
Delirious. No.
Where are you?
No!
Bring him with us on the log.
Please!
It's a water slide.
Oh. No.
Oh God.
He's
He's
here.
here.
Hold on.
He's underneath us.
Hold on. I'm stuck.
Oh no,
Back
Jiggly.
on.
Help!
Oh.
Guys!
Oh, we're going.
Guys!
Oh!
Yeah. Yeah. Hey,
Delirious
Delirious
in
is
the
here.
beginning. We were supposed to jump
We
over
made
it.
Yeah!
We made it.
I did it!
No, I
Made
think
it.
we were supposed to jump off.
We made it. We got a checkpoint.
Did we?
Oh,
Yeah.
Guys,
Oh.
guys, I'm on the raft.
Yeah. We
I
all
was
made
under
it.
the whole time.
That
Alright,
was
no.
crazy.
We're supposed
Oh,
to grab
we
onto
ride
this.
That
this.
was cool.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
See you guys later.
Goodbye, guys. We're having fun times.
Oh, it's
Fat
too
asses
fat.
turned it around.
Oh shit, did we? Oh shit.
We're too heavy.
So 2 at a
Sorry,
time,
one at a
guys.
time.
One at a
No,
time.
2 at a time. 2 at a time.
You mean 2 out of 10.
There we go. I'm already up here.
I'm gonna save you guys.
Worry about yourself. Worry about yourself.
Yes,
Oh,
I got it.
All right, we gotta save them, Vanoss. We gotta save them. Oh, this is dumb. Raise yourself. Raise yourself.
Oh,
I raised
no.
myself
you
to max
almost fell.
capacity.
Oh my
You
god.
almost fell again.
Oh my god.
Fuck.
All right.
Tea
Come on.
is ready.
There was a shortcut. We could have walked the line
I know,
too.
I
You
know,
see
but we did it
Yeah,
the
I
fun
tried.
way.
I made it like 3 feet.
Listen, pull the lever. I want to get a good view
All
of
right.
this.
What is this gonna
Like
do?
it's gonna open that thing down there. We gotta. Yep.
Is that the end?
Yeah, that's the end.
Hold
Gotta
it open.
jump in it.
Yes.
Oh, we
gotta
got
jump
it.
in it. So
Come on, you
we're
got
probably
it.
we're probably gonna need a running jump. A running jump.
We can't
Fine.
run. There's no running in this
Waddle
game.
and
Can't
jump.
just. There's no
Okay.
way you're gonna. Oh, look! The end is swaying. So no, stand at the end and jump. Look, watch this.
Oh, we'll do like an actual springboard.
All right, try it,
Yeah,
Delirious.
Yeah. I'm gonna try it. Watch this shit.
No, we don't need 2 people on it.
Oh my god!
Jiggly!
God!
He made it.
It.
Oh my
Holy!
god! I'm so high!
Ah,
I'm so high!
I made it.
I'm going in, boys! I'm going!
Yeah.
I
we
didn't get that
won.
job.
I made it to the toilet!
Yeah.
Oh, that looks
Oh.
super fun.
Damn it!
Whoa.
We
Oh,
won.
Where are we?
Is
Wait.
this?
We
Is
thought
there
we did.
more?
Where the fuck are we?
Wait, this is not the end? Wait, is
You're
this?
supposed to pull the
Oh
plug.
wait,
Is
is
this
this
a
the
different
next
map?
level?
It might be.
It is the next level. We won.
Oh. Still
Yes!
this time on Human Balls Z.
You see that? You see that on your screen? It says victory.
Woo!
Victory!
Good job.
Here it is, the victory
I
place.
didn't know it was gonna end. By the way, I wouldn't have fell in the hole.
See
Yeah, I
that?
didn't get to
You
dive.
got
It's
that on your
all
screen,
right.
Delirious? Victory.
Victory!
You got it on the screen. Look,
Yay!
it says subscribe to Vanos Gaming.
Oh no, it says subscribe
doesn't-
to Venos Gaming and H2O Delirious.
And
Wow.
Wrecker. And
Look,
Jiggly
guys.
Panda.
Wow.
It's Snake Way from Dragon Ball Z.
Is it?
Subscribe
Oh,
to,
it
It
is.
says subscribe to everybody except for H2O Delirious.
No, it
Let's
says
jump off and
subscribe
die together.
and like and only watch H2O Delirious videos because it's the most edited.
Eh,
I don't wanna watch you